Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell at perfectgardens.com. So today is June 26, 2020, and just how I put up the Solex and the plastic to help insulate the environment, it's starting to get a little bit warmer, and now I want to adjust my environment again, and so I'm going to take my Solex down and put back up my shade cloth. And by doing that, I'm going to have a lot more airflow. It's going to keep the plants cooler, and it's going to create a healthier environment for the plants to grow throughout this season. Later, I'll end up putting the Solex back on to help keep the heat in as it begins to drop off in temperature. Okay, as you can see now how it looks, a lot more airflow, and it's going to keep these plants nice. So go ahead and bring the shade cloth back over the top, River. In just that one change, the temperature dropped from 100 to 95. 5 degrees on a minute-by-minute basis, day after day, week after week, month after month, will make a huge difference when the plant is going through the photosynthesis process on a daily basis. As you can see now, everything is nice and open. Plants are getting a lot more airflow. And one of the things that kind of signaled me to this was my tomato plants. They are getting a little bit droopy, and I know that I watered enough. So instead of adding more water, what I decided to do was create a little bit healthier environment. Listening to your plants on a daily basis will allow you to know what to do, whether it is adding a little more water or whether it's doing something a little more drastic by adjusting the overall environment, which, as you can see, I've kept this environment consistently the same over the last month or so. But now, because it's getting warmer and because I know we're going to be having 2 weeks of Indian spring every year it gets up past 100, I definitely want to make sure that these plants are going to have the airflow they need to finish off nice and healthy. Thank you so much, and have a great grow, everyone.